Hey guys, how are you? It's your boy K2 and I am back with another C-drama video. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about the upcoming and new 6 C-dramas that are gonna premiere this month and so on. So you should just consider to watch these dramas and just add these dramas to your watch list, as these dramas are gonna be fascinating and amazing at the same time. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Number 1, Professional Single. Since birth, Yushian and Shinsen are two people who will probably end up being single for life because they want to. Set against the backdrop of an art school, the story follows students who overcome many difficulties to pursue their artistic ideals. Shinsen is a student who dreams of becoming a sculptor, a freshman in their department. He is like a god level existence in their high school, cool, disciplined, and a perfectionist. However, girls means nothing to him and he finds dating to be a complete waste of time. Yonxian has the appearance of the cute girl next door but has a headstrong personality. She is eloquent and determined such that no one can stop her once she sets her mind to something. However, she has a tendency to pick at other people's shortcomings so much that no guy can impress her. Number 2, Meeting You. The story tells the romance of the young Nanshi who has many talents but suffers from social anxiety. When he meets Xiarui, an enthusiastic and talkative girl, these two people who apparently live in parallel realities will not be freed from the designs of destiny. Number 3, The Day I Skipped School for You, Part 2. This drama is gonna be the second installment of this series, and the story of Chenmo and his group of friends continues with Zhao Shayo, who can't seem to improve her grades no matter how hard she studies. Suzhao, who excels academically and socially, the old-fashioned Yao Konglian, and the eccentric Yu Beibei. As the new semester starts, Chenmo, Suzhao, and Kongliang form a brotherhood with a new transfer student, Xiaoyu and Beibei, who start out at odds with their class president, end up becoming good friends with her. The rookie teacher who cries easily gradually finds the courage to handle the class on her own through Chenmo's help. As the college entrance examination approaches, Suzhao and Chenmo discover each other's feeling for Xiao. At number 4, Begin Again. It tells the story of a domineering female CEO and a warm doctor who turn a fake relationship into reality due to practical reasons. Having exchanged their I-do's, they start on a new chapter of their life as they learn to fall in love. Lu Fangning is the general manager of Luning Group, a large corporation in the business of home furniture. Lu Fangning is a woman who has it all, talented, beautiful, and rich. Nearing her 30s, Lu Fangning comes to a family pressure and decides that she urgently needs a husband with whom she will have a child. Coincidentally, surgeon Ling Rui appears in front of her. Ling Rui is not only blessed with good looks but also has an angelic heart, which makes him the perfect candidate in the eyes of Lu Fangning. She schemes her way to his life and they finally become husband and wife. Lu Fangning eventually realizes the error in her ways and strives to be better. However, keeping a marriage is not easy as it seems to be, and this drama is all about that. Number 5, Jiuliu Overlord. The story takes place at the end of the Tang dynasty. Li Jingliu is a business tycoon, while Long Yoi is the leader of Longzhou sect. When a mysterious burglary shakes the city's two overlords are pitted against each other. On the one side, there is a mob boss, Long Yoi, played by Bai Lu. She represents the lower Jiuliu, the lower class consisting of entertainers, seamstresses, candy sellers, matchmakers, thieves, burglars, and prostitutes. On the other side, there is a silk tycoon, Li Xingliu, played by Lai, the calculating leader of the upper Zilu and the social elites. The two must push aside their prejudice as they go for fighting for the city to work with each other. From the allies of Chengdu to foreign locals to the royal court of the Tang dynasty, they two fight with each other then in both Jiangsu and the business world, and finally they fall in love with each other. And at last, at number 6, you're gonna keep an eye on this drama. This drama is called Dear Myang Street, another drama of our queen Seven Tang. Set during a time of reform in the 1980s, this is a story about youth and love that revolves around 6 families living on Myang Street in Guangzhou. Our Xiaojian is a bad boy who dates Ma Xiaoxiao, a schoolgirl in the neighborhood. Yi Dongdong has had a crush on Ma Xiaoxiao from the moment they met. The 18-year-old Yi Dongdong moves with his family back to their hometown and falls in love at first sight for his neighbor Ma Xiaoxiao. When he realizes that she is attracted to his friend Xiaoxian, he kept his feelings to himself and protect her from a distance. Xiao Xiao is constantly worried for Oh Xiaojin, who spends his time fooling around with her delinquents. Utterly exhausted due to the problems between them, Mao Xiaoxiao and Wu Xiaojin parts way later. Later, Xiao Xiao becomes a lawyer and Dongdong passes the local civil service exam. Meanwhile, Xiaoxian undergoes many ups and downs, and this drama is all about overcoming those ups and downs. And for this drama, you should really look forward to it. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I really do hope that you have liked this video, and some of these dramas you will find on YouTube, but you want to watch these dramas for free on applications or website, just click on the I button above. You will find a video where you will find some websites and apps where you could find these dramas for free, and any of your favorite drama you can find and you can watch for free. And if you have watched the video till here, just give a thumbs up to the video guys, it really motivates me to make another videos. And just don't forget to subscribe to Drama YT, and yet you haven't followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It's called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. I will see you later. As always, your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's really been a pleasure.